Matthias, it's great to meet you here at the EMO exhibition, the beautiful AceMicromatic booth. Let me just introduce myself to our viewers. My name is Christoph Hoene. I support AceMicromatic in developing the business in Europe. And my friend Matthias here, he's from a world-famous machine tool maker too, from EMAG, German company, of course. And we're just sharing some views and impression about the market here, right?
Right.
What we find is that the market is very receptive for the type of machines that the AceMicromatic Group supplies. You know our motto, reliably productive. AceMicromatic stands for workhorses of machines. They do their job and they do it well. And as you all know, the market, the economic environment in Europe is not overwhelming at the moment. So the customers are very budget and cost minded. And then AceMicromatic hits a nerve with a machine. And maybe you can discuss with our friends from AceMicromatic to figure out what are the synergies that you can create together between EMAG and AceMicromatic.
Yeah, I'm completely with you. Yeah, the interesting point of a cooperation between ACE and EMAG is we need to learn regarding competitiveness. Over-engineering is a risk what we have typically as a German machine manufacturer. And ACE wants to develop the consideration of turnkey, of technology package, of turnkey consideration. And this is at the end a match for both. And that's the reason why we have more and more activities together. That's the reason why you see a lot of ACE colleagues on our booth. You see EMAG colleagues on the ACE booth. So we do have a growing interaction. And at the end, I'm sure it will have benefits for all of us.
Well, I cannot add anything to what Matthias said. So I think we better get back to work now. We thank you for your attention. Matthias,
Thank you very much.